Wow, this place is huge! I can't wait to go inside.
It smells so good in here. I'm already excited. Oh, wow. This vacuum cleaner looks really nice. They say it can clean everything in just one go.
Wow! This new game console looks awesome! It would be so much fun to try this at home.
Lily, let's run over to that aisle. Hey, wait for me, Luna.
Whoa! Look, there's a warning sign. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Are you okay? You're not allowed to run in the supermarket. Slippery floors can be very dangerous.
We're sorry, Mom. We won't run in the supermarket again. Wow! They are so pretty. Maybe I can climb a little.
Hey, Lily! Stop right there. You should not climb on it. Shelves can fall at any time.
Oh.
You should ask an adult for help.
I'm so sorry, Dad.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, Dad.
This dishwasher could save me a lot of time. I could bake cookies every weekend.
Mom is taking a long time. My stomach is growling. Mine too. I'm really hungry. Let's get something to eat. Yum! I can't wait to try this. This donut looks delicious.
Hey kids, stop right there. You can't open food before paying. You can't open food before paying.
We understand, Mom. The apples look really fresh. I'm still so hungry.
Oh no!
Look, an apple. Maybe we can eat it.
Kids, what are you doing? You can't eat like that. Where is the apple which I dropped before? That apple is mine. I paid for it.
We don't know it was yours.
It's okay. Just be careful next time.
I'm still really hungry.
I'm starving too. All right, let's pay now so we can eat. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you. Here you go. You can eat now.
How?
Remember to share with each other. Only eat food after we pay.
Yes, Mom, we will. This is so good. It is more delicious now.
I'm really proud of you. You learned so fast. Let's head home. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning and having fun. See you next time.